It's only been a week since we saw the 5th beta of iOS 12, and here we are with beta 6. Welcome everyone, it's Andrew for Apple Insider here, and we've got our hands on the 6th beta of iOS 12. We're going to dig in and find out what is new this time around. Starting off with splash screens. Splash screens usually get added with every major new release to let new downloaders know what has changed and what's new in each app. Apple has been adding these in waves throughout the beta process, and here in beta 6 we got a whole bunch of new splash screens for a bunch of different apps. We saw one for the App Store that lets everyone know that the Today editors work behind the scenes to curate the App Store. We saw one for the iTunes Store about getting the music you want, watching the latest movies, and getting ad-free TV shows. Of course, we also saw one for the Books application, which doesn't really say much other than giving you a brief rundown of the privacy policy for that. We saw one for the TV app, where you can watch everything in one place, discover new TV shows and movies, and just tap to play. Lastly, we saw one in the Music app. There were a couple changes in the Music app last beta, but here with the splash screen, we just get notified of more music videos, video playlists, and ad-free videos that you can stream without being interrupted by ads. Again, these splash screens don't bring any new functionality, just advertising the features that are coming here in iOS 12. Digging into settings and going up to wallpapers, we notice two things. First, the order of the wallpaper has been shifted just a little bit. Not anything major there, but more notably is the actual wallpapers that came with iOS 10 have seemingly been removed. So nothing new, just the iOS 10 wallpaper removed, and they've been reordered. Inside of Apple's Maps app, we're seeing a few darker, bolder fonts this time around. Nothing major, just a few fonts seem to be tweaked. When listening to music wirelessly, whether it's through AirPlay or headphones, these happen to be my Master and Dynamic MW50s, but whenever you're playing music, you're going to notice a new icon on the lock screen. It's basically just a tweaked version of the AirPlay icon that's been there before, but on that little Now Playing widget, it's now that circle, similar looking AirPlay icon, just slightly updated from how it looked in the past. Again, that's going to show up anytime you're playing music wirelessly to a HomePod, AirPods, other headphones, whatever it's going to be. Lastly, we saw some changes to the wallpapers in the Home app. As you can see, whether I'm in my home or any of these different rooms, they have these pretty nice wallpapers, and these are just the defaults provided by Apple. But now if you jump into your actual home settings and you go down to view your wallpapers, I can see what it's set to now, but when I go to change it, all those defaults are gone, and instead we have 3 new gradient options instead, that yellow, the blue, and the green. If you have the existing wallpapers, they're still going to stay there, but if you want to update any other room, you're going to be locked into these new ones. They aren't too exciting, but this looks like what we're going to have going forward. Apple is inching closer and closer to the final release of iOS 12, so changes are getting smaller and smaller. But if we happen to neglect anything and you found it, be sure to let us and everyone else know down below in the comments.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.